And it's not a reality you can talk yourself out of easily. And that's particularly true of pain, but the infinite cosmos as well. Obviously, that's a very complicated question. But, you're a very complicated thing. And God only knows what it means for you to imitate the infinite when you apprehend it. I mean, in some sense, that's the fundamental question of life, is how do we adapt ourselves to the infinite complexity that surrounds us? What must we become? Well, you don't merely think that through. And I mean, you don't, I don't, human beings in general don't. We puzzle it out, and we use all sorts of information to do that. And some of these more primordial experiences that are outside the domain of strict rationality nonetheless point us in an ethical direction. And the ethic would be you should and could be more than you are. Well, then the question is, how do you bring that to earth? How does that look when you try to embody? It negative emotion, and you experience that instantaneously, essentially, and automatically. And so part of the reason that I encourage people to clean up their rooms, let's say, Well, it's a microcosm of all this. Your room is part of your experience